Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make voice call on Rednote. So if you have a Rednote account and you have a guns or a group of friends on Rednote, and now you want to make a voice call on your Rednote to your friends, to your followers or your following list, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make a voice call on Rednote, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Rednote application. This could be on Android or could be on iPhone. Just open the Rednote app. Once you open the Rednote application, go ahead, open the contact you want to put a call through to send a voice call. So here, let's say one of my follower list. Then go ahead and open the message chat with this particular person by clicking on the profile name. Click on this message icon. Now to make voice call with this particular user, all you just need to do is click on this plus icon at the bottom right. Then you should see this menu comes up. Then locate and click on audio call. Click on that. Then you should see if you're able to make audio call or not, then you are good to go. So just click on audio call and then audio call will be put through to this particular person. So that's exactly how to make voice call or audio call on Rednote. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.